in a pine-clad haven. The forest villa stands, nature and home entwined, a dance on timeless sands. Stone, hardwood, and larch timber, in symphony they play, blending with the forest, in the sun's gentle ray. Larch, a virtuoso, in nature's grand ballet. Moisture slides off its surface, termites shy away. Sustainability whispers in the rustling leaves, durability and eco-friendliness in every larch weave. The air's a canvas, painted with pine's sweet scent, ceiling, walls, and floors in larch, a testament. A sanctuary within, where breath is at ease, larch whispers tranquility, puts the soul at peace. In the heart of this sanctuary, where size takes no hold, natural wood, the language, universal and bold. Whether grand or intimate, a dialogue with earth, in the forest house, nature finds its rebirth. The poetry of wood, an eternal sonnet's embrace, in the forest villa, where pines and timbers grace. A testament to living, in harmony and art, where nature's verses whisper, eternally in the heart.